Dear guests, Your Excellencies, Presidents of the Court, judges, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of civil rights defenders, it is my pleasure this morning to welcome you to the 9th Regional Rule of Law Forum for Southeast Europe. After 2 years of organizing this event in a hybrid format, online and in regional hubs, which was also great success for us as organizers, but despite restrictions, I'm really happy that we are again together in the same place, in the same time. This year's topic of the forum is protection of human rights in times of emergency. In the following 2 days, we will be working on analysis of the relevant jurisprudence of the European Court through the lens of not only COVID-19 pandemic, but also other emergency situations. The pandemic has been difficult and challenging time for everyone without exceptions. Almost 2 years ago at 2020 Forum, we were among the first who raised the topic and discussed the limitations of the European Convention and what member states are doing due to the pandemic. So we were really pioneer in this field. These days, 2 years later, the forum will present opportunity to reflect on key legal developments and lessons learned from that period. In the emergency times, state authorities are requested to react quickly, to set measures and protect the citizens. And of course, this is great expectations from state authorities. Unfortunately, what we are seeing in the European continent during the past couple of years, that such actions might also lead to the violations of human rights, especially in countries with authoritarian regimes and hybrid democracies. Our task is to ensure full protection of international human rights standards and jurisprudence of European Court are giving us the great answers in that regard. In the same time, now more than ever, in Europe, we have requests or expectations or opinions that some things are coming first. Some people are saying that stability or peace or economy must come first. And then one day we will have human rights. In the Balkans, it's very popular, in Western Balkan countries, it's very popular to say that we have stabilocracies. And this is very dangerous. I really strongly believe that human rights must come first. And human rights are foundation of each and every society in Europe. And this must be for the Western Balkan countries too. There is no exceptions in that. As I like to mention, and we have a short discussion around that last evening, everyone in the Western Balkans like to have predictable society and predictable days like everywhere else in Europe. This year, beside pandemic, Europe is facing new challenges, among which, of course, we have to mention war in Ukraine and its significant impact to the entire Europe and its citizens. When a new crisis appears, lessons from COVID-19 pandemic can provide us opportunity to learn more and to respond more quickly comparing to 2 years ago. We must ensure that the judicial and democratic scrutiny of the emergency measures are fully respected. I would like to express gratitude to our partners, the government of Sweden and SIDA, United Kingdom, Konrad Adenauer Stiftung, and many others to for providing support to this great forum and for many years. Also big thanks to different European Court judges. Some of them are here for the first time. Some of them are with us for 9 years and even more. Some of them are changing and many more. And we had really huge support from European Court. Special thanks from Civil Rights Defenders going to our center. That are really, we have excellent and extraordinary partnership and very strong cooperation. And the big thanks is going to teams of the Earth Center and Civil Rights Defenders for organizing this event. In order not to forget and not to wait tomorrow, because I will forget that at the end, I want to say a big thank you to interpreters that will do a great job, I'm absolutely sure, in the coming 2 days. So big thanks is going to them. Once again, thank you everyone for joining us today and tomorrow. I'm wishing you productive work and discussion, and I wish that we build important connection and results for defending human rights in Europe, not only during emergency time, but also every day. Thank you.